Are you ready to supercharge your charting experience? If you've been searching for the ultimate charting platform to elevate your trading game, then listen up. Get ready to seize the opportunity of a lifetime because Gocharting is unleashing a game-changing offer. For a limited time only, Gocharting is slashing prices with an incredible 30% off sale. That's right. From April 1st to April 3rd, you can unlock access to the ultimate charting tool at an unbeatable price. Don't miss out on this golden opportunity to revolutionize your trading journey. Watch this video all the way through to learn why I canceled my previous charting software for Gocharting. The link is in the description. Subscribe now and let's take your trading to new heights. All right. Welcome back to the Voice of Investing. I'm the host, Accent 2K2, and I know it's been a while since I've done a video. So today we're going to go over Gocharting. I know I've done videos in the past on this, but because they have this awesome sale going on right now, I think it's very important to do this video right now. Also, while I've been taking time off and not doing the videos, I've been taking time to kind of study different charting styles to see if footprint charts like these charts that Gocharting offers are really worth it. And I've come to the conclusion, because I've done a couple of things, trading futures, trading crypto. And before I didn't even think it was that useful for crypto, but it was actually user error on my part. I was doing something where I didn't realize that you actually have to adjust the order flow in order to make your chart look however you want to look. So we're just going to go ahead and get right in it. I don't really want to take too long on this video, so I want to make sure that I can get all the information out to you. Definitely make sure that you check out Gocharting. I'm going to go through and show you the pricing and how this 30% off sale, what that looks like. I know a lot of you guys might use other charting platforms, and some of you may already use like footprint charts and look at order flow, and you might use other charting platforms as well. So I'm actually going to go over two competitors to Gocharting as far as when it comes to footprint charts. My previous charting platform that I used to use, which was TradingView, they don't even offer footprint charts. So for me, I was using it because I do like to use the Ichimoku cloud a lot, but I also have really gotten into footprint charts, and I found that it's given me an edge that the cloud doesn't necessarily give me. So anyways, I'm not going to dive too much into the edge and everything. I'm just going to kind of showcase Gocharting and show you some of the things. So first off, this is Bitcoin right here on Gocharting, and this is their platform. You can see I have the bar statistics down here. If you look here, you can see how if you look at the volume spike. Now, obviously, you can do this on other type of charts if you just want to look at volume, but there was a huge volume spike here. I like how the bar statistics on Gocharting, how it, it shaded it dark. So this is kind of like a point that I can look at and kind of look to see if there's a reversal. Well, since then, if you look at the Bitcoin, it's kind of like it's been sideways ever since that long wick here. So I do see that it looks like down here, if you look at the delta percentage, it does look like we flip more so on the bullish side. So that's kind of a good thing to look at. You can tell that before this big drop, we had flipped bearish here, down here, as far as the delta percentage. But this is Bitcoin. So one of the cool things about Gocharting is you can get footprint charts, but the footprint charts that it offers, it's not limited. Like I know some charting platforms might be limited, and then some charting platforms, you have to buy your own data to go along with it in order to see this data. Well, with Gocharting, the plan that you purchase is going to have that data included with it. So that's built into that price as well. All right, so this is Bitcoin. You can also look at other stuff, other cryptos, like this is the PIF chart here. And then, mind you, sometimes you have to refresh the charts. Let's see, this one, I have to refresh it. I did notice that earlier it was kind of trading kind of wild on Bybit there. So, but this is the PIF chart here. This is Jupe. So as you can see, you get footprint charts for crypto. Um, I personally like to use footprint charts. I still use the cloud as well. So I kind of use both. I use the cloud and I mark my levels, but I can also use the footprint chart and mark levels, right? So like when I'm using the footprint chart for levels, maybe I want to short, at the daily high, or, maybe I want to, place buy orders around the daily low. So those are just some ideas there. You also get Forex. So I know a lot of you out there are Forex traders. Well, you can also get footprint charts for Forex. So not only do you get it for crypto, you can also get it for Forex. There's a plan that specifically does crypto and Forex and is very affordable. When we go over the pricing, some of you out there might be really shocked. Another thing, let's say if you're a futures trader, you can actually get footprint charts for futures. So this is pretty cool. I've actually used this myself for trading futures, and I thought it was pretty good data. Now, obviously, right now we are on extended trading hours, so the market is not moving as fast, but you're still getting data spit out for the futures chart. Like this is the MNQ right here, which is like the NASDAQ micro futures. So that's pretty cool to use. I'm telling you, if you really start studying, I mean, there's plenty of YouTube videos out there from a lot of YouTubers. A good one that I like to watch sometimes is Order Flows. Order Flows Trader, I think it's Order Flows. He's pretty good. He's actually probably who got me really into looking at the footprint charts, because I've seen people use them before when it came to crypto, but Order Flows, I've seen him using it, and he was using it mainly for futures. But like I said, with Gocharting, you're not limited. I just want to show you here, so you can do other charting styles. You don't have to just settle for, doing something like footprint charts. You can also do regular candlestick charts. Like right here, I have the Ichimoku cloud set up. I have, different indicators here. Cool thing about that is with Gocharting, you can actually get 4 charts, and it's very affordable. I know, I used to have 4 charts set up with TradingView, and I think with TradingView, you actually have to have, I forgot which level gives you 4 charts. But anyways, when I show you the pricing, you're going to see there's a huge difference when it comes to it. So like I said, this is going to be a short video today. We're not going to beat around the bush. I do plan on pumping out more content and doing more videos so you guys can see kind of how I use the footprint charts, or just use Gocharting in general. But let's just get straight to it. They have a April Fool's Day sale. I like how they did this. April Fool's 30% off on all annual plans. And they say, don't be fooled. This is real. So it's a real sale that actually ends on April the 3rd. My apologies for just getting this video out now. I've been really busy, but let's just get to some of the pricing. So Gocharting, I believe it's a company that's Indian based. I'm not sure on that. Don't hold me to that, but they have plans. Let's say if you want to use the India Lite plan, if you want to use India NSE Premium, if you trade in those markets, they have that. You can also convert it to rupees if you want to pay with rupees. As far as right now, see, normally annual plans would get you 16% off, but with this 30% off sale, as you can see, the India Lite was $8, now it's $6. The India NSE Premium was $20, and now it's $14 on the annual plan. All right, and then here we go. USA. If you look at this, they have free plan, which, don't get me wrong, the free plan is actually pretty good. For a while, I actually just used the free plan. Now, the thing about the free plan is you won't get the footprint charts. But if you don't care about footprint charts and you just want just regular charts like you're used to on other trading platforms, then you may want to try the free plan. Now, the free plan, of course, you get in-a-day charts. You can do bar replay. I mean, all of that is free. You can save chart templates, flag things with colors, multi-chart layout. I mean, this is for free. So you can get multi-charts for free on here. If you're looking at trading equities, let's say you're a stock trader, then normally it would be annually $20. But with the 30% off sale right now, you're getting it for $14. And this is if you want to trade like equities, ETFs. Now, one of the things, they are kind of a la carte, and that could be good and it could be bad, right? So like, let's say if you're a trader and you only trade stocks, then you may only need to purchase this plan. So it's kind of good, right? Because it's very affordable, and you might say, well, I can get this with a competitor for about the same price and get a little bit of everything. So you may get a little bit of everything, but one thing you're not going to get is you're not going to get the order flow chart, which is footprint charts. So you're not going to be able to see the order flow data. And to me, I don't think you can find order flow data for this price anywhere when it comes to equities. So let's say you're a futures trader and you just want to trade futures. You can do the CME for 25, or you can do the CME bundle for 28 with this sale. So typically it would be 35 normally for the CME only, and for the bundle it would be 40. But right now you can spend 25 on the regular CME and 28 on the bundle, which is actually a really good sale. All right, so there's that part as far as for equities, futures. But then when you go to look at crypto, you can trade crypto and Forex. They have their own plan. So normally annually, you're looking at $20 annually per month. But with this 30% off sale, you're looking at $14. So let me switch it to monthly just to show you. So normally if you paid monthly, you're looking at $20 a month for monthly. And this is going to get you crypto and Forex. And this is also going to get you the footprint chart. So definitely something to look at. I mean, you get custom time intervals, you get bar replay, 9,000 candles, you get the order flow, which is basically in the footprint charts, order flow indicators, you get tick-based market and volume profile, 20 saved watch lists, 5 color flagging, 200 saved chart templates, power trades, which is if you're someone who likes to see on your chart like those big like bubbles that some charting platforms have, like when there's like maybe a lot of volume and everything, you have an option for that. You get the CVD and commitment of trade, COT. So you get crypto options chains. So let's say if you're someone who trades crypto options, that option is there. Unlimited crypto options strategy builder and payoff charts. That's pretty cool. And you get crypto heat flow and straddle options chain as well. So again, with the sale, typically there's a 16% off on annual plans. So it wouldn't normally be $20. $20 is the monthly, but with the 16% off, I believe it was $17. But with this 30% sale they have that lasts until the 3rd, then you're looking at $14 per month. So $14 per month. I mean, we can just do some rough math. You're looking at a year because this is an annual plan, right? So if you do 14 times 12, you're looking at about $168. $168 to get this kind of information, in my opinion, it's a no-brainer, but to you, it may not be, right? So let's look at some of the competitors just to kind of put things into context, right? So right off the bat, I'm going to go to ExoCharts. ExoCharts, because I personally have tried ExoCharts out when I first started getting interested in doing, footprint charts. And if you look at it on a monthly basis with ExoCharts, you're looking at paying, if you use their desktop platform, about $49 a month. Now, Gocharting is a web platform. They do have a mobile app for iOS and Android. They don't necessarily have a desktop platform at this moment, but they do. Their web platform works really well, in my opinion. I mean, about as good as any other web platform. And that pricing you were looking at, that's their web platform. Plus that also gives you access to the mobile app. So might not be so fair to compare it to Exochart's Desktop Pro, but in a way it kind of is, because some of that data that you would get on the Desktop Pro with Exocharts, when you use their web premium, you don't get some of that data. So we're still going to compare it with the Desktop Pro. So you're looking at about $49 a month. You can go with a 3-month plan and save 12% with them. With Exocharts, that's about 43. And let's just go to the 6 months. So 6 months, it's about 38. So as you can see, I mean, going back to Gocharting, you're looking at, normally you would probably be looking at about 20 a month, but with this sale right now, you're looking at about 14 a month. So already, as far as pricing, you're beating it here. But one thing that most people don't pay attention to, you get something like this, like Exocharts, right? It's cool. You can get the data as far as like, your crypto pairs and everything for this price, which this price is still more than what Gocharting is. But if you wanted other things, right, like CME and NASDAQ, Eurex, you have to actually purchase this DX feed, which is separate. That's a third party in order to get that type of data. So, I mean, you can argue that with Gocharting, you have to make sure you purchase the plan. But what if you only trade futures and you don't even care about crypto or US equities, right? So if you were using Exocharts, you would still have to pay this monthly, right? Or for 6 months, this monthly, and then you'd have to go use this third party DX feed in order to get the data for it. So you're putting price on top of price, right? So it can really add up. That's Exocharts. I didn't want to go through the whole gamut of every company that offers a footprint chart, but I just went to Atos. I believe that's how you pronounce it. You look at them. Looks like, so for them, they show it's free as far as for crypto, and you get free updates, market replay, and everything. It says global, so I'm not sure what's the difference between this, because the global has the market replay, free updates, all available exchanges. So I guess this first one is not going to give you all available exchanges with them, but it says that it's free, right? And I see they have a free trial, so maybe this is part of what the free is, a 14-day trial with them. If you go charting, I believe you can get a free trial with them. I'm not sure if it's a month or 90 days or anything like that, but I believe Gocharting also offers a free trial. All right. But going back to Atas, it's giving you crypto data, giving you all available exchanges. It's about $40 a month. Is it available for iOS and Mac? Let's see. Download Atas, because that can make a difference, right? Okay. So it looks like it's definitely available on Windows. And once you've installed Atas on your Mac, you can see, let's see how they're saying to install it. So it looks like it's really a Windows native platform. But if you want to run it on Mac, you would actually have to use something like Parallels, run some kind of like virtual server, virtual machine in order to run it. So in my opinion, it just depends, right? Because if you use Windows, maybe you don't care about that. But I mean, just overall, if you look at the price, in my opinion, I definitely would say to give Gocharting a try if you haven't yet. You can click the link in my bio, look at my link tree. It will have the link to Gocharting. Again, I'm going to start doing more and more videos using Gocharting and showing you, how I do my technical analysis and everything when I do my trades. I'm someone who I like to trade crypto, and I like to trade high leverage. Some people don't like to trade high leverage. I used to be someone who was trading lower leverage, like 3, 5x. But for me, if you're going to be doing that and trading high leverage, I prefer to have a footprint chart. And I also still use the Ichimoku cloud, because what I would typically do is look at the cloud, kind of see where things are, find my levels, right? look at it on a daily. I do a top-down approach with the daily, the 4 hour, the hour, and the 15-minute. And then I also drill down. I like to trade a lot of trades on the 15-minute. So I will look at the 15-minute even when it comes to footprint data. But like I said, wasn't going to hold it. I probably actually went over the time that I wanted to go. I mean, we're right over 20 minutes right now. But I just want to give you guys this info because this is a huge sale and I want you guys to be able to take advantage of it. Make sure, click the link in the bio, give it a try, sign up, take advantage of the sale. I mean, like I said, some of these competitors, you're probably already paying way more than that. So, give it a go. Gocharting is newer compared to some of these other charting platforms, newer as far as in the US, but they are, other people have used them in other countries, especially India. So it's definitely something to look at. Well, anyways, if you like this video and if you found this information valuable, make sure you like, subscribe, click the notification bell so you can know anytime that I drop a video, and make sure you share this video with all your friends. All right. Hey, until next time, I hope you enjoyed this video. Peace.